Hi, I'm Pam Taylor, Development Director with Valley Cities Counseling. Valley Cities was established in 1965 by citizens of South King County in Washington State and became a United Way agency in 1967. At that time, there were no community-based mental health services available for low-income and Medicaid recipients south of Seattle. Yet the need was great. King County has a population of over 1 million people, and of this population, the highest number of people living in poverty exists in South King County. We also have the most single-parent families in this part of the county and the highest number of children receiving free or reduced-cost meals from the public schools. At Valley Cities, we provide services to children, teens, families, adults, older adults, and our veterans and their families. We use current best practices, including trauma-informed care, because most people with a mental health and/or substance abuse problem have experienced trauma, and many, such as our returning veterans, have experienced severe trauma. We use a combination of case managers, mental health professionals, and doctors to evaluate and treat with a recovery plan that involves the patient from day one. The focus is on involving the patients in their own recovery every step of the way. We work with survivors and perpetrators of domestic violence. We work with the whole family to help rebuild the family unit. You have to address the very real root causes. We work with homeless young adults, 18 to 25, many of whom have aged out of the foster care system and have few resources but many needs. It's important to note that the costliest human service challenges today are around mental health issues. Homelessness, high school dropout rates, incarceration, excessive emergency room use, suicide, child abuse, substance abuse. These are all issues that drain public funds. The only way to change this reality is to address those root causes, and most of those are mental health related. However, those who face the biggest barriers and need treatment the most are usually the ones who can least afford to get that treatment. And Medicaid does not pay for case management, housing, symptom or disease education, intervention, or employment services. Stigma also prevents many people from seeking the treatment that they need. There is much work to be done to overcome the stigma surrounding mental illness. Mental illness is real, and it is treatable. Much like diabetes and other health conditions, wellness does not always come from medication alone, but often includes education and counseling for real-life change. Wellness, resiliency, and recovery are the focus of all of our treatments. We deliver whole person-centered care, and this is a core value in all of the care we provide. It's part of the continuing education of our staff, and we call it recovery-centered treatment. Life challenges each of us at times, but we at Valley Cities believe deeply in the strength and resiliency of the human spirit. Valley Cities consistently delivers critical mental health services, and we invite you to support us so that we may continue serving those who need us, because we believe that people and communities matter. Thank you.